Welcome to Maths Farm. In today's video, we are going to understand why is 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. If you remember, in our last video, we had talked about different exponents and powers and their laws. So there was this law which was anything to the power minus is reciprocated, right? So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up there. So let's understand why is it so. So for this, let's see what is 2 to the power. Let's see what is 2 to the power 1. We know 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 2 into 2, which is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Similarly, 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32, and so on, right? We also know that any number to the power 0 is 1, right? So now we can see that this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, and this is 32. We can see a pattern that this is getting multiplied by 2, so this answer is coming. This is getting multiplied by 2, this answer is coming. So when we move backwards, okay, for example, while going back from 32 to 16, we see that 32 is divided by 2. That is why 16 is coming, right? So this is divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So what will be 1 divided by 2? It will be 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. And this will be 2 to the power minus 1, because we are going backwards. So in the number line, you know that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1. So we are basically going backwards. So 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, hence proved. So this is a pattern which you can see that when we go backwards, it is getting halved. So 2 to the power, what will be 2 to the power minus 2? 2 to the power minus 2 would be 1 by 2 divided by 2, which will be 1 divided by 4. Okay, so this pattern will continue. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our video, then like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to your channel. Thank you.